Hey folks, Adam here. I live in Florida. It's a relative jungle out here. And that's why I need the best tools around. I need something that's actually going to trim up and destroy those weeds. So what do we have here? This is from a great company and it's built to save your string, to trim your hedges, to trim your edges, and to make your yard beautiful. Now the nice thing about this is gonna replace spool after spool of old school string, and it's compatible with your trimmer. So I have my old school Black & Decker trimmer. I swapped out the string because that string, you gotta replace it all the time and it doesn't do the job well enough. This right here, we've got the blades, the replacement string, everything that comes with it, and it does a great job getting this mountain under control. Now I can use it for my edges, I can use it for my hedges, and I can use it literally to cut the grass. I did an entire section of grass with this, and it's giving me a perfect, plush, flat lawn. I also love that it's from a great company. This company has been tried and true, making great lawn care products for a long period of time, and they're ready to take care of you. Now, you don't have to be an engineer, you don't have to be a do-it-yourself kind of person for this to work. Just swap out that head, and you've got some of the most advanced trimming solutions on the market today. So folks, if you're looking to improve your yard, you want it to look better, you want to save a few ducats, this is a great solution as well. A great brand, high quality, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. Folks, if you're looking for something that's going to outperform the rest, this is the solution for you. All right, let me show you a little bit up close and stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, and just to show you how powerful this is, even my hedges don't stand a chance against this guy. And I love the fact that you can easily swap between the plastic blades, or you can take them out and you can switch to those orange strings to give yourself a really fantastic cut. You're gonna see this in the up close portion of the video. So let me take this off and pop it out. But a really straightforward design that is going to be built to last. All right, so we just swap that out. I'm gonna go this blade over here and flip them out, and we can cut the grass with this as well. And you see how easy that was, right? And I love the fact that I don't have to get any more string. This is awesome. All right, folks, so this is a great product for getting those areas the lawnmower can't get to. Gets those hedges, gets those edges, and it can't be beat. Stick around for our up-close portion of the video. Oh, yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. First, I'll show you the cap. Solid quality here. Very nice. Now, they've given us some real steel screws here, the blades, even the Allen wrenches, but on top of that, a bunch of the essentially replacement cord. This is gonna be a fantastic addition right here. Look at how many you get. That is a really nice addition, so you can get to getting your work done, folks. Getting this working well, and that is a really nice addition. So if you're looking for something that's going to make your work easier, make it to where you never have to worry about trimming, this is the product for you. I want to show you how much of a higher quality this is than regular string for your trimmer. It's sturdy and it's built to last. That's nice. And these blades are next level as well. And that's going to give you a really, really powerful spin. All right, folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the most elite products in all the land, and this is absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for something that's going to really improve the way you do business around the house, something that's easy to install, well, guess what? This is the bee's knees, it's the cat's pajamas, and it's the cat's meow. So you're gonna wanna pick it up, and I know you won't be disappointed. Last but not least, I gotta give a big shout out to this brand. They're a premier brand that is built to last. You know I love and appreciate you, so goodbye, my friends. Go pick one up.